Are you thinking about investing in commercial real estate which is currently leased to an existing tenant? If so, then make sure you've been given all relevant documentation. I'm John Gallagher from Argon Law, and I'd like to offer you some tips about collecting together all documents relevant to a commercial lease. Firstly, it's essential that you're provided with the true, complete and current lease. This will often mean you need to cite multiple documents. Has the lease been extended? Has it been amended? Each time this happens, there will be a further document created. Make sure you hold clean, signed and ideally registered copies of each such document. The amount of rent payable is obviously of vital importance. This is not always evident on the face of a lease, particularly when the rent increases each year in accordance with an index or formula. Make sure you have all evidence needed to satisfy yourself about the current rent, including correspondence regarding the most recent annual rent review. And check if the lease is regulated by the retail shop lease legislation. This can be the case even when the tenant is not a retailer. For example, a lease of premises in a cluster of premises can potentially be regulated as a retail shop if a sufficient number of the other premises within the cluster are used for retail purposes. If that is the case, it will also be important for you to review copies of disclosure statements given by the current owner to the tenant in accordance with the retail shop lease legislation. So don't assume that reviewing a lease is about reading a single document. The full story is almost always more complex than that. If you found this video useful, then please like or comment below, and for more tips like this, please subscribe to our video blog.